Unlock optimized communication for your UK audience right now within Twilio. Efficiently routing calls and messages to or from the UK isn't just about functionality. It's about delivering seamless experiences and minimizing latency, ensuring your communications are always on point. First, log into your Twilio console. Once inside, navigate to the phone numbers section from the left-hand menu, where you'll manage your active phone numbers. Here, identify the specific UK phone numbers you wish to optimize. You might have multiple numbers. Select the one whose routing preferences you want to adjust for the UK region. Click on your chosen UK number to access its configuration. Look for the voice and messaging settings. This is where you define how incoming calls and messages are handled. To reroute, adjust the Webhooks or TwiML apps linked to this number. You can point them to new URLs that are specifically hosted in or optimized for the UK region, or link them to a specialized messaging service. For more advanced routing, explore messaging services here. You can create a service, add your UK numbers, and configure features like geomatch to intelligently route messages based on sender location. Always remember to save your changes after making adjustments. Once saved, perform thorough tests by making calls or sending messages to ensure your new routing preferences are working exactly as intended. By following these steps, you've successfully rerouted your UK region communications on Twilio, ensuring faster, more reliable interactions. Share your routing tips in the comments.